Sodick Europe, we look after approximately 14 countries, covering the Middle East, Northern Africa, and of course all of Europe. My name's Peter Kapp and I'm CEO of Sodick Europe. I'm also a director of Sodick Thailand. At Sodick Thailand we produce the largest quantity of machines that we actually sell in Europe. We bring customers here to Thailand to see the actual manufacture of the machine. It's really important that the customer understands the quality of the machine and also actually how many parts we make in the machine, because we almost make everything. And that's the biggest thing the customers take away, is never believed that you produced everything in the machine. I've been coming here for 40 years and I'm excited every time I get off that aeroplane, to be quite honest. And to bring customers here is an absolute joy. When they see the quality of the machines that come out of this facility, it's unbelievable, to be quite honest with you.
All the factory has got an overall harmony. I go around the factory with 20 people and never you see anybody raise his eyes for his job. They never stop working just to turn their head towards us. And this is, I think, is amazing. This, I think, cannot happen in any factory in Europe.
I believe that Sodick is one of the only one company who is making all components inside of their factory. My favorite area of visiting is a linear motor, to show to the customers what is really different from the machine and what brings this high-end precision of the machine. So I visited Japan already several times. I don't feel any difference in comparison with work in Japan or Thailand. When we talk about simple things as cleanliness, as how they approach work and everything regarding the production.
It's really easy to understand that the people is motivated by the Japanese management. I'm proud to represent this kind of industrial approach. There's a really high attention to quality, to technology, to serve the customer. You have all in the same package.
Sodick are the UK and Ireland's dealer. I'm the sales director and I've been doing this for 30 odd years really. I was born into it. And I've been coming to this factory since I was 10 years old. And every time I come back, I get the same feeling. It's absolutely incredible.
When the customer come here and see what we are doing and how we do it, the key thing is we handmade so many things in the machine. They understand the machine is not just a machine, it's more or less a human. Like we talked before, Sodick is a family and machine is humans. One thing is really interesting in this company and this factory is the producing of the linear motors. The linear motors you see from the really beginning. You can see the machine to make the magnetism inside the hidden parts. And you see the assembling of the motor, you can understand how it works out, and you can see it's not a magic, it's simple, but it's working so extremely good. To bring the customer here and let the customer see, and I can be myself with the customer can see I trust the machines, I trust the factory, the confidence will go up a lot from me, and I transferred it to the customer. So I will say, if I bring the customer here, the business is finished.
My Sodick journey began almost 8 years ago when I started at Cheshire Wires. I think I take for granted the machines I operate on every day, because to me it was just a tool that managed to machine components. But when I've come here and seen the amount of detail that goes into absolutely everything, I know I've taken it all for granted.
We make this trip here to Bangkok to show our customers in Germany, especially the deepness of the construction of this machine. That means we are in a premium sector and the German market is the premium sector. And that means everyone must see who Sodick is and how deep we go in the production.
Especially the German customer see that we are a manufacturer. That means that we are doing a lot of things by hand. Small things like the covers, also how the linear motor are making, how the cooling units, something like this. They are believing that these things we buy. And then when they see that we are making these things ourselves, you have a completely other feeling for your product.
Wir rotieren ja ausschließlich mit der Firma Sodick und haben dadurch schon eine große Loyalität. Aber hier nochmal gewesen zu sein, einmal quasi die ganze Reise zu erleben, das Werk zu erleben, beide Werke, macht einem noch mehr Verbundenheit zu Sodick. Einmal Sodick, immer Sodick.
Sodick Europe ist ja eine große Company, eine große Firma, dass die uns Kleine auch im Visier haben und sagen, hey Alex, komm einfach mal mit. Das ist eine sehr große Bindung und für uns auch eine starke Partnerschaft. Ich muss sagen, die Sodick-Jungs, wenn man sie braucht, die sind auch für einen da.
General response when I bring customers to Thailand was the same as mine when I was a 10-year-old. They're in awe of the place. They're in awe of Sodick and the quality and the precision and everything that goes into making these wonderful machines.